Hi all. Today I present you with the application we have built for Pega Hackathon. So we are a team of three members, which include Rahul, Satyashri, and myself, Garima. Now first let me give you an overview of the project. As you all know, like we are still recovering from the pandemic, and there were times where every sector of India was hit by it badly. In India, farming is the biggest sector which was hit badly at that time, as there were no shops open for seeds, for harvesters, there was no information available, for buyers, there were no information available. So, considering all these scenarios where a lot of people wanted to, and also like there were so many scenarios where a lot of people wanted to start farming during that time, but due to no prior knowledge, and they faced many difficulties. So, to help these farmers and other users who wanted to start farming without prior knowledge, we have implemented a solution which is one place to go where farmers can get all the details and recommendations for their crops in an automated way. Even the users who do not have any knowledge can log into the application, add their details, and can start with the farming. Later, this application will help them with the best recommendations for their land as per their area and location. Now, let me navigate you to the application step by step. So this is the basically our application looks like. Let me go to and create a new case. So basically, this is a screen where a customer have to give their basic details and can create a case. Let me give one random details and we'll start with it. Create. Okay. So a case has been created, and if you can see up, we have all these stages where a user can give their information and provide all this information, and then they can proceed step by step. So the first stage is the customer data, which the user has already given. Now come on the next stage. This is crop selection. So uh, on the basis of the information whatever customer has provided on the first screen, Pega means our code will be providing the best recommended crop for that selected field. So the user has given Bangalore and also the location. So on that basis, we have given rice. We have recommended rice as a recommended crop for that person. So we can submit this. Now comes to the next stage, which is seed selection. So there will be a lot of scenarios where farmers don't know like which type of seed they should select for their particular land, because every land won't support all type of seed. So these are the options which we have given for the seed. So a user can go and select like whatever type of rice they want to select and grow in the field. So for example, I have selected basmati rice seed. So we'll select that and we'll submit. So this is the next step where a quantity of seed. So as per the information available for that customer, I mean the land area and everything was available for the customer in the customer data screen. We have recommended 21 kgs for the user for his land. So now we have also provided the options for the farmer and the user to select. So these stores are available in their nearby area. They can just they can just open and they can click on buy now for whichever store they want to order their seeds from. So these are the recommended options. So we'll go to the next screen, which is irrigation. So a lot of time what happens, farmers won't know how much amount of water is required for their land, and they end up filling lot of water which can affect their plants badly. So as part of this stage, we are providing the recommended best irrigation method as well to the farmer, which is surface irrigation in this case. We'll click on the next screen. So this stage is for the fertilizing. So as we know, we have lot of different fertilizers available for the farming. So we can select that, and user can go to the next screen where we will be providing the recommendations for the fertilizers and also the options to order fertilizers online. So, as per the area mentioned by the customer, we have recommended all the how much urea is required, how much DAP is required, means the kind of fertilizers which are recommended for the land, and also we have given the options to order fertilizers from the stores. Now we can click on the next. Now this is the harvest time. A lot of time, people and the farmers won't know like what is the best time for their crop harvest. So we have recommended, like in this case, we have recommended from 15 November to 10 December as per their land and as per the seed and the crop which they have selected. So we are recommending the harvesting time as well to the farmers and the end customers. So in this step, we have provided information. So there are the list of farmers which are available in the the list of harvesters available in the area. So we have provided the name and what they do it. So farmers and all the end users can directly contact them through this application, and they can book their slots, because lot of times the harvesters will be booked at the time of the harvesting, and the crop harvest will be delayed, which can affect the crop badly. So through this application we can uh, you know uh, uh, add the harvesters, or we can book the harvesters before that only. Now we'll click on submit and we'll go to the next stage, which is selling. So, as part of this screen, we are providing the approximate estimation to the farmer on basis of their land and the production. So, as you can see, we have the rough estimation of the rice production, which is this as per their area, and also this will be the earning for their crop as per their area and the crop which they have selected, which is rice in this case. And also lot of times farmers won't know like from to which buyers they can sell their crop to in the best price. So we have also recommended the list of sellers in their nearby location. They can click on this book a selling slot, and then they can directly sell their crop to the buyers. So this was the whole process, end-to-end process, which we have, which is applicable in our application, which a farmer and any person who doesn't have any prior knowledge can go and can log into this application with their basic details, and everything will be recommended in our application basis on the basis of the customer um, data. So basically, this is what we have done as part of this project. We have a lot of enhancements going to come. So yeah, that's all for this project. Thank you.